Here's the Martinique room. Small but very efficient. This would be our seat. Comfy bed. You can see someone's checked it out for comfort. These are our windows. Always closed to make it dark. There's the man, the birthday boy. Some great artwork. Great storage space. And in this little nook is a refrigerator. It's even got an iron board and a fan and whatnot. And we've got Lucy's bowls here. What attracted us to this room was it is a dog-friendly room. There's the bathroom. Very nice little looking shower stall. I've used the hand soap. It smells delicious. What they call it, Capitola Hotel stuff. Very nice. And it's got the makeup mirror that can be plugged in and magnified so you can see all your blemishes. So that is a dog friendly. Dog friendly.